genuinely, and I've said this to numerous people, that using your design, using the external design, was the best value for money we spent on the whole build. It's an expensive thing to do. It's life-changing for the period of time you're doing it, in terms of you're upside down, but it genuinely feels life-changing now in terms of the space that we have and what we come back to. Like I said, coming back to it after work and enjoying it on the weekends has been such a nice thing. And the main thing, I suppose, was it didn't feel like we were buying something off a shelf. The numerous video calls, meeting you, everything felt like it was tailored towards how we wanted to use the space and what we needed from it. And that's what we got to. And I don't think we would have got that by just picking something off a shelf, like I said. So that's been the main difference. We both had kind of different ideas, different thoughts about what would work best, because we wanted it to be functional and practical as much as look nice. So with your help, I felt like you kind of brought both of our ideas together and gave us a new idea that worked best. So no issues with it at all now. So just enjoying it. The renovation was more difficult than expected, to be honest. Some people said to us, "Oh, are you going to move out at any stage? Are you going to?" And we were very dismissive. No, why would we do that? That's crazy talk. We moved in with one of our friends for 7 weeks at one stage because it did get quite difficult. We underestimated the effect on the rest of the house, even though the rest of the house wasn't part of the renovation. So we just ran out of space. That was the hardest part, but zero regrets. It was all worth it in the end. So working with you in terms of what we might have changed, to be honest, it was only for the positive. So we talked to you about having an island, for example. Was that something? And I think the experience you have and also the confidence that you had to say that it wasn't the right thing to do made it easy decision for us, because you're an expert in it, we're not. So when someone was so, I don't want to say you were like, you weren't adamant on it, but you gave your professional opinion on it and you were confident in the way that you put that across to us, it made us confident that it was the right thing to not do it. So it was only a positive thing, that anything you took away from us was a positive thing. My favorite part of the kitchen is how it connects with the rest of the house now. So the dining space, the outside, hopefully get a bit of a nice summer to be able to enjoy that. I also just love how fun and easy it is to cook in now. It's kind of taken away all of the issues and problems we've had before with cooking and enjoying the cooking. So just look forward to being in here, look forward to the space. 3 top tips for someone doing a renovation. Expect it to go on a lot longer than you think, and accept it. Take your time with it as well, as much as it's going to take longer than you expect, but take your time. Don't rush into decisions. You're hopefully only going to do it once, so do it right. And number 3, use Faye.